Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Yesterday or some hours ago, Chief Ralph Wazuruki gave out some classified information in his video. If you check our video, you hear some of them for those of us who understand what he said. But one or two things I picked out from the video is the fact that he had actually given out information that the people who are in ESN, Eastern Security Network, and IPOB members scattered abroad, especially in the southeast, now are identified. They actually know their hiding places, the training points, and all that. He said quite a lot, but for full information on that, you can actually go to our feed. But right now, Ima Powerful, Nnamdi Kanu, and IPOB have responded to some of the information he released, and of course, the fact that they have decided to blow hot. In fact, they're actually directing their grievances directly to the southeastern governors, and this may not all go well as tensions are rising. I'm afraid there need to be tension. Tension needs to be calmed, and so that peace will reign in that region. But before we go to the newspaper to find out the tussle over information, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB has raised the alarm that Southeast governors, in collaboration with Ohanese and Igbo and some treacherous traditional rulers and president generals of some communities are compiling names of suspected operatives of the Eastern Security Network (ESN), as well as IPOB members and supporters for prosecution. Don't forget that some days, almost a week or so thereabout, Ebube has been launched by the southeastern governors. Although the personnel were seen doing trainings, I guess this is going to. I don't know how this is going to play out. But let's continue with the news to find out what they said. The group stated that if the governors don't reside in their plan, IPOB will make the zone too hot for them. IPOB, in a statement by its media and publicity secretary Ima Powerful, claimed that its intelligence unit uncovered a secret file containing the list of the suspected ESN and IPOB members. The list, according to the statement, is to be handed over to the security agencies for torture and elimination. IPOB, which said the idea was suggested to the southeastern leaders by the federal government to weaken Eastern Security Network, that's ESN, regretted that efforts of the security outfit for flush out of the killer herdsmen from the zone were being sabotaged by the selfish political elite. It's noted that since the establishment of ESN, that's Eastern Security Network, efforts to rid the zone of the bandit and killer herdsmen has intensified, a development that has making the masterminds uncomfortable. The statement read in part: the southeastern governors, in collaboration with traditional rulers in the zone and some president generals of communities, are compiling names of suspected IPOB members in their respective communities to hand over to Nigerian security agencies for possible executions. The arrangement has been perfected to help Nigerian police and army to quickly pick anybody suspected to be IPOB member and Eastern Security Network operatives in the zone. Our intelligence further revealed that they took this decision to launch this joint military operation to quench and permanently silence what they termed as IPOB and ESN menace in the zone. IPOB intelligence units gathered that these enemies within and without have perfected arrangement to abduct our people and put them in incommunicado in the security dungeons in unknown locations. It is unfortunate that our so-called leaders could not see or observe how Fulani herdsmen are becoming social menaces to both our mothers, wives, and brothers and sisters in the farms across Biafra territory, but they see us as their problem. IPOB denied any link with the unknown gunmen suspected to be behind the wave of bloody attacks against security formations in the zone, and wondered why its members will be marked for elimination. We have severally explained that ESN has nothing to do with the unknown, that's UGM, responsible for the reprisals in the southeast. The unknown, just UGM, are not ESN or IPOB. We wonder why government will continue to associate us with those group or with that group without investigations. IPOB urged that a government that treats bandits and killer herdsmen with kids' gloves cannot claim to be unaware of the said unknown UGM, unknown gunmen. The pro-Biafra movement warned Southeast leaders to retrace their steps or brace up for the grave consequences of their action. If Southeast governors do not stop this plan against their people, IPOB will make the zone too hot for them. We expect all traditional rulers and president generals in the Southeast communities to retrace their steps before it gets too late. The land will also raise against them if they, or rather, the land will also rise against them if they allow this to happen. Any IPOB member or ESN operative killed shall be avenged. The statement also advised the federal government to jettison any plans to prosecute pro-Biafran groups, as doing so would come with some price. We advise Nigerian government and their partners in crime in the zone to desist from this agenda because it will backfire. We are aware of the secret file, but we are not going back until Biafra is finally achieved. Too much, I say, too much on the line. A lot is happening. It's happening so very quick. You can imagine now there's actually internal conflict between the Igbos amongst themselves. I'll say what I mean is IPOB members are Igbo members. IPOB members are Igbos, as in the one resident in Southeast and Igbos. People in ESN, the one resident in Southeast region, are also the sons of Ndibos, as they are also Ndibos, sons of the soil. The southeastern governors are Ndibos. They are also the people of Fundibo, the southeastern region. And also, the whole conspiracy, the whole issues is all about the southeastern zone. I feel this is a brotherly thing. Okay, can be settled within themselves. We do not need to begin to hunt one another, go against one another. I feel that this can be settled now. For IPOB now to be threatening the governors on this, don't forget. Yes, they understand. There's also that issue of them saying that their names have been compiled, given out. I remembered even in the video Wazuriki gave out, he made mention that they have done the investigations and they know all the hiding places of ESN members. They know all the hiding places of IPOB members. They know where they reside, what they do, where they do all the things they do, and all that. Now, it is no longer a case of Fulani herdsmen being flushed out. It's now a case of IPOB now trying to, protect their members, or ASN trying to protect their operatives, and the southeastern governors trying to release them to the federal might. So have you now seen now? It's now a case of Ndibos fighting against Ndibos. The Fulanis are actually out of the picture. Okay, the whole reason why they were created is that it's not even a Bubago now fighting, is now within themselves. This needs to be curbed before it degenerates to something else. Now, it's not going to be a case of genocide. It's now a case of brothers fighting brothers. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's